Hello everyone, I am from IVIS. Today I am going to talk about answer short question, which is the last type of the speaking module. First of all, I am going to talk about basics. There are 5 to 6 questions in the exam. It contributes to the speaking as well as listening. And it has 3 types. First of all, it can ask you simple question like how many days are there in a leap year. So your answer will be 366 days. And second type is it can ask you options like who will you go first if you are injured, hospital or hotel. So your answer will be hospital. And the third type is it can show you an image on the screen, so you have to answer according to the image. And lastly, I am going to share a tip with you. For example, the question is what is astronomy, and you don't know the answer of this question, so you can simply say I don't know, or you can repeat the question that what is astronomy. So this is the tip for your answer short question. It is not that much important part of the speaking module, so you don't have too much worry about this type. All the best.